Hey everybody, welcome back up here to Cumberlachia. Today I'm going to do something that is really hard for me to do. I'm asking for some help, not for myself. It's for friends of ours, Matthias and Heidi, two of our best friends in the world. We lived really close to them down in Fort Lauderdale, became best of friends. They moved up to North Carolina before we moved to Tennessee to start their homestead. They literally are starting their homestead just like we have. We kind of copied them. They're living in a camper in the poplar community of Green Mountain in North Carolina. For those of you that don't know where that is, it's just across the border from Erwin, Tennessee, in Northeast Tennessee, where Tennessee and North Carolina obviously join. And as you guys know, this area has been devastated, not only from Florida through Georgia, our Northeast Tennessee area, and especially North Carolina, totally decimated by this hurricane. I can't imagine how a hurricane can be so far inland and just cause so much damage. I mean, I lived in Florida over 36 years, went through many hurricanes, and to see what's happened up here, entire communities wiped off the map. Our highway system, we can't get to Heidi and Matthias because our highways going over there and roads have been washed out. Quite literally, part of I-40 at the border is gone, and some of the bridges have been washed away, so there's no way for us to get in there. We've been worried for days about them and finally heard from them. Maybe 3 days later, I just got a text from them saying, we got out. It's terrible here, or it's awful here. I don't even remember the text. And from then on, non-stop calling to find out what was going on. Could not get through to them. We finally got a phone call from them today. They are okay. They made it through the hurricane themselves and their animals. They said that they didn't lose any animals, but they've lost everything. Their camper is gone. It got crushed by a tree. I'm going to show you some pictures here as I talk and videos. This is what they sent us. This was their beautiful garden and area before the hurricane went through. I'm so jealous of the garden itself, but such a beautiful area up in the mountains. And then after the hurricane, this is what the same area looks like. So I'll stop talking for a second, let you look at that. But as you can see from some of these pictures here that I've added, this is pictures from the poplar community of the flooding. I'm sure you've seen all these pictures and more on the news, but I just felt called to ask for some help for them. So I've set up a GoFundMe account. I will put the link down below in the description. I will put the link on my website, gregs-kitchen.com. I will put it on Facebook, which is Greg's Kitchen, and the link is below in the description. If you can help, if you feel you can help, I know a lot of you are in the same situations or have family in the same situations and you're unable to. If you can help, just $1 or $2, whatever you can, I'd appreciate it. If you can't, just send your prayers to them. That would be just as good for me. I just want to try to help them some because they were our inspiration of coming up here and starting up our beautiful homestead. And I feel so blessed because we were not hit like they were. And I still have all of our animals and everything, and they don't have anything but themselves and their animals. They do have somebody that's let them stay at their house. I talked to Heidi. She said the community is amazing over there. They've all come together, not waiting for the government to help or anything. The whole community has gone together. They cleared 4 miles of road with equipment that locals had to get them out and be able to get, to the outside world and get to places like Walmart and to the grocery store just to get things they need. But I just appreciate if you guys could help them any way you can. They're two amazing people, and everything's going to go directly to them for them to use as needed. I know Heidi and Matthias. I'm sure they're going to probably try to help some of the rest of the community because that's just the kind of people they are. So believe me, every dollar is going to help. I appreciate you all. I love you all. And you all stay safe out there. Take care. Bye-bye.